How to fix Instagram black screen while logging on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First thing, go to settings, scroll down until you find here apps, then click apps again, and here this one is for Android phones. Type here Instagram, click on it. Now click force stop and then go to storage, clear cache, and go to permissions, give it all of those permissions here. And if you have an iPhone, just go to settings and then general and click iPhone storage, search for Instagram and then click on it, and then click offload. And if that doesn't fix it, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again, and make sure your Instagram is updated. And that's it, and make sure power saving mode is disabled. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.